English version, mathematics class 5, chapter 8, area of rectangle and square. Number 2, find the area of the following figure. The triangle 5 into 4 divided by 2 equal to 10 centimeter square. Number 2, the triangle 9 into 6 divided by 2 equal to 27 centimeter square. Number 3, parallelogram 5 into 6 equal to 30 centimeter square. Parallelogram 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter square. Here, if you see centimeter square, okay, in triangle or in parallelogram, square centimeter into centimeter equal to centimeter square. In this type math, if you multiply two length, height and length, height and length, multiply two same function, it will be convert to a square. Okay, in bangla, if borgo, it means meter into meter, it converted to square meter. Centimeter converted to square centimeter, this type.